RCN 180 construction process. On-site materials. Ground preparation. Before installation, the floor should be leveled with self-leveling, sweeping floors to ensure that they are clean and dust-free. The cement lime lumps on the floor should be cleaned. Flatness check. Use a spirit level to check the original floor flatness. Height difference should not exceed 3 mm within 2 meters length. RCN 180 installation. Laying turn-in universal head firstly against wall, then put straight panels inside. Use universal heads at the ends of rooms, corridors, and other turns in the cable line. Cutting the panel. If there is no enough space to lay a whole panel, it can measure the size and cut the panel neatly. Cutting AII RCN 180 panels with a cutting machine. Slot alignment. When laying, pay attention to alignment of the slots between the panels. Fixing seams. It should use fiberglass aluminum foil tape to seal the gaps between panels. The fiberglass aluminum foil tape is the tough grade, so it is recommended to cut the tape by a utility knife. Running the cables. Recommending to put cables in straight lines. Cables are not allowed to be cut and spliced. Construction completed. After the heating cable coiling is completed, the ground decorative layer can be laid directly.